spider features in place, the second arbor goes up. More focus goes back to the base and right on
What a beautiful.
Titi. Titi.